Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your permanent TSB credit card. There are a few different ways to cancel your permanent TSB credit card, and you can do it in just a couple of steps, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in ptsb.ie and search. You will now end up in the official website for PTSB, from where you can go ahead and log into your online banking account, or you can also go ahead and scroll all the way down and get to the Contact Us tab and click on it. The easiest way to cancel your credit card is to get to the Contact Us tab and call the customer service representative and directly ask them to cancel your credit card. From the Contact Us tab on the next page, click on Contact Numbers, which will then lead you to a list of contact information that you can find for each criteria. If you want to cancel your credit card, you can just go to the first option over here and then make a phone call to this phone number displayed on the screen, depending upon your region that you are residing in. Make a phone call and speak to a customer service representative and tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Also, ensure that you have paid off your entire credit card balance before cancellation. You will need to verify your cancellation request. So in order to do that, make sure you answer all of the security questions correct, and you will be able to cancel your credit card by contacting the customer support team and speaking to them about the card cancellation. So that is how you can easily do it. There are other different options as well. You can directly visit a PTSB branch nearby you and then talk to a staff member that you'd like to cancel your credit card. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.